say in Forex, you'll never stop learning. It's a never-ending process. So guys, welcome to this video. As usual, this is the right channel to educate you matters Forex. And today we're going to have a very big discussion why Forex is the most preferred skill that you are supposed to acquire in 2024 or in this generation. So watch till the end. So now, guys, welcome to the video. I hope the resolution is okay as well. So today, I want us to have a very sensitive discussion why Forex is the most preferred skill to be acquired by many youth, because I know most people who are interested in Forex are the youths. But again, why you guys with the books?
We love reading.
That's why you're gonna specs.
Yeah, we love reading.
When you see somebody with a spec, definitely he or she is a doctor. So Dr. Tukile Dr. Nani?
Vihenda
The other name?
Libese.
No, the other name.
V.
Your official names?
Vihenda Libese.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
So, in other words, tell the viewers your official name.
My official name.
And what you do.
Hello, my official name is Vihenda Libese. Yes, I am a Forex student.
Okay. What about you? Nice.
My official name is Don.
The Don.
I think
Don.
Yes. Okay. I'm having my friends here. We are just talking. You know, sometimes you cannot be on the chat all the time, so we choose to hang out somewhere so that we can interact with people outside there. So it's healthy not to be on the chat all the time. Sometimes you have to take a break. For my guys, we are still holding GBP USD up to 1.275. That is where our first upload. I mean, our first TP, our third actually, or fourth. Our fourth TP is. We are still having a trade at the year point of 1.275, and we're expecting it to hit the zone, maybe give us some short-term sell, then we proceed to 1.281. That is the untested zone. You can take the trade, you can take a sell from that point. Sharp and a signal.
Yeah. Today being an NFT day.
Yes. So basically,
Niko na Mwakenya.
mse naona yuko na ego is the enemy. Mwingine naona hapa hivi.
Atomic Habits.
By who?
By James Clear.
Great. Yeah. So I think these two books, I've read the two books. Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday and Atomic Habit. And what I've noted from the two books, actually it goes hand in hand. So this will give you the habits of doing something meaningful, and you'll adapt to it. And this one, ego is the enemy. You know, once you start doing things differently from what people do. So you should keep it. As much as we all have ego at some point, but you should moderate your ego. Moderating ego is very, very important. It goes hand in hand with pride. Somebody said pride comes before a fall.
Yeah.
And this book will teach you to be in the habit with no ego. So the two books, if you want to make it, especially in the industry of Forex, be that person who can adapt a certain habit that will trim you into what Forex needs. If you also want to be a good student of Forex, stop ego. Because I know this industry, okay, I don't know, maybe, okay, there's a norm. Forex traders will always be, seeing themselves as a very, very different species.
Yeah.
In the business world. Please, a
Yeah.
Forex trader who wants to grow, stop ego. Now, let's get back to the conversation. So, Forex as the business and the most preferred skill in 2024, especially for the youths.
Yes.
What okay? What does it need? What does it need for you to start forex? What do you think is needed for someone to start forex? Okay, now myself, I can give you, now that I'm a forex trader, I can give you a list of what you need. But I would also like to hear from you guys. What do you think you need to get started in forex and to perfect your skill every day? Because as much as I've been in the industry for a while, but I also need um, uh, okay, we say in forex you'll never stop learning. It's a never ending process. Learning is not, it's a never ending process in the forex market. It grows every day. That's why the market is dynamic. So the forex market is dynamic. So from your side, guys, what do you think, Don? What do you think is needed to get started?
According to me, for the time I have been in the forex markets, uh, 2 years. I have traded for 2 years, and the most thing that you should look up to when starting trading is having a mentor. That should be your first thing.
The first thing is to look for a mentor.
A mentor who
Yes,
will
yes.
guide you on how to start.
Exactly. And the mentors need money. I cannot take my time, my 8 weeks or 6 weeks to learn to teach somebody forex from the start to the end with no money. You need to motivate me. You see? So in other words, you need money to get a mentor. You also need money. You need capital to enter into business. But again, in terms of capital, you don't need much. You can start with any amount. As much as they say, $10 cannot remove you from the block.
As you talk of luck.
There's a talk of block. But you can also start with that amount.
It can
If that
get
is
you
the only money
started.
that you have with the skill, then you can grow it slowly. With time you get to $10, then with time again to get the $10 to 200 and even bigger account. Yes, the problem is when you want to make money with $10, like you want to make a living on the $10. So from you are a student, still a student, right?
Yeah.
Forex student.
Yeah.
So what do you think that you need to perfect the skill?
I think the first thing I need as a student is passion.
Passion.
Passion for forex.
So far, have you created some passion?
Yeah.
Interest?
I think that's
Or
why I'm
passion?
here.
Or passion?
Passion is
interest.
interest.
Okay. Where did you get interest from?
Apparently,
Sema tu kweli, Lucy. Where did you get interest from?
I got it from my mentor. I didn't have the interest at first because I had that mentality that forex is a hard thing, as people say. Also, forex is a scam, as also other people say, and it doesn't look so real. So I didn't think it was something I could do. But when I started my classes, I really started developing passion for it, and I feel like it's a good thing if and only if you're passionate about it.
Great. If you're passionate about it. So, money should be what? I hope you sound easy to calculate. Anyway, money should be okay. Of course, it's a end goal to get money, to make money in forex.
Yeah.
But at least should be the last thing to consider. So first of all, you consider mastering the skill. Yes. Though sometimes we tend to think it depends with how smart you are, how intelligent you are, so that you can master the forex thing. But to me, I can say no. The average, most of individuals are in the average intelligence. See, they can fit into the forex market. What's more important is to trim your behavior to fit into what forex needs. So, talking of behaviors, patience, being patient, very important. Greedy, fear. those are some psychological problems that you experience in the forex market. But once you work on the three, then you're good to go. Get the skill, start making money. Yeah, that's easy. But again, there's this issue. You know, from 20, let's say from 20, what was 2016 walikuwa na graduates
2021.
2021. Yes.
Yeah.
Ndio tumekuwa na graduates man from 2021. So the graduates have been coming out of universities like popcorns.
Yeah.
I
making
know.
every feel like,
I know.
like making education like a scam. I don't know. Do you think it was a good thing? Like, okay, let us get back to education system now.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think ulifanya form 4
2015.
2015? Ni same yangu.
2021.
2021. 2021? Form 4?
2020.
2020.
Hey, 2020.
No, let me skip it. I'm your ancestor. I did long ago, but not far from now. Anyway, maybe it's the same year.
It could be. Actually, it is. It is.
No, during our year, let me now make it our year 2015. During our year 2015, I think we were, for boys was, the job,
Yeah.
the direct intake, government scholarships, government sponsored students. Ilikuwa how many points?
62
points for the boys and then
59
for women. You see,
for ladies.
for ladies.
Yeah. For ladies.
Let me call them women because they are. Anyway, ladies general. All right.
That's better.
All right. So now, you see, the direct intake 56,
59
and 62. 62 for the boys, 59 for the ladies. So now, as much as I'm sure the majority were below 59. So it means this 58 and below, let's say to 46, that's where C plus starts. Walikuwa na absorbed kwa parallel program. And when you're in a parallel program, you can pay, you pay good amount up to even 120 per semester. So it means that these guys were feeding the universities with the money to sustain these institutions.
Yeah.
But when Watiang'i came in, this 59, let's say 59, went down to 46. As much as I was trying to check the figures, and I realized that there are so many from 2017, there are so many students who joined the university directly. From 46 going up. So the gap between 59 and 46 is very huge. So it means that there are so many students who get an opportunity to be a government sponsored student compared to before. So, and mostly if you check, these students from government sponsored students will go to main campuses. So satellite campuses ilikuwa ina absorb the parallel students.
Yeah.
So in 4 years, 4 years later, or thereabout, universities can't kosa pesa. You see? So I think it was not a good system. It was not a good decision for Matiang'i to drop the points from 59 to 46. We have TVETs institutions, which actually ingeabsorb our students wenyewe wamefika kufika ile cut mark. But at the same time, you get somebody who scored an A doing the same course as somebody who scored a C plus, and okay, it's a good thing, yes, but again, they are producing so many graduates in the job market. than the job created. So right now, job created is going down, not going up. Producing a lot of graduates, they don't have jobs or whatever. So I don't know. What's your take on that? Like, we have so many graduates in the system, but they don't have a job to absorb them.
I think with that move Matiang'i took, that was not a good decision to make, because if those huge amounts, those huge number of people who got the degree from 46, you have seen from 46 to
46.
59,
Yeah.
should have gone to TVETs, get the skill, then employ themselves, or go to, they have got what, this job, manual jobs, hard jobs.
Really had jobs.
the
What's your take? Okay. My point is, what's the need of having all these graduates? When you go to university direct, according to how our system treats us, it's like when you go to university, you're actually next to making it in life.
making it in life.
So you have that mentality that we have been in the university, we did this course, so we really have to secure a job immediately after campus. So now there's no whatever the job that you are promised. You see, the system is promising us job,
but there
there's
are no
job.
jobs.
So I don't see the need of reducing those points to 46 when there's no job. They should actually concentrate in
And job creation.
opportunities. Yes, creating job opportunities in the market. So by the end of the day, we are so many in the job market, but we don't have job. So that's where now we should come in and employ the skill, whichever skill that you can learn and make money. Get it?
Yeah, me, I feel like these people will have they will have worked on creating jobs, more jobs than more opportunities to getting education with the mentality of getting a job after university, when in real sense there are no jobs.
Exactly.
Number two is students who got a point of 46 to 48 could have gone to either to parallel
Or
or TVETs, which actually they used to pay a lot of money. That really helped the universities in running the institutions that we do not have right now.
Exactly.
Number three, government sponsoring that huge number of students is a little bit overwhelming, because the moment you're a job student, that means you are entitled to getting help and other kind of scholarships, which the government has to give every student. You are entitled to it because you're a job student. So at the end of the day, the government is investing on students
instead of
investing in business or in job opportunities when these students come out of the schools. Now we are done with school, we have the loans. Like, for instance, before the Matiang'i decision of having more students going to university, we had fewer students graduating. That means there was a huge spread for job opportunities. Now that we are so many, the opportunities are very little. The government could have used this help money to create jobs rather than giving us. Now there is a dent in the government after giving out loans, and now there are no jobs. So it means we cannot pay. We can't pay the loans if we do not have jobs.
Exactly.
And the government still has to continue sponsoring other students. So it definitely will make the government lame at some point. And I think that is what we are experiencing right now. So yeah,
Sure. That is
they
a
could
problem.
have made they could have made a better decision.
Exactly.
I think.
So for the 2016 going up, msirushie mawe, but that is true. Right now, the problem that we are facing is because of some decisions that were made You could have gone to TVET and secure something, a job somewhere. By the way, TVET students work on a great opportunity at a jobs, whatever.
Yeah.
Because the expectation is not high, and at the same time, okay, there are so many platforms that can absorb them, and on top of absorbing them, they also have that room for growth in their
skills. Yeah. And also it takes little time in TVETs. You can attain your skill within a very short period of time rather than
1 year,
getting
2
a
years.
degree.
Yeah. So that's how it is. We're experiencing bankruptcy in the institutions because of the decisions that were made in 2016. Right now, like for example, you're from, let me say it,
I'm from Laikipia.
Laikipia University.
Yes.
So Laikipia University walikuwa na campus pale hivyo Nakuru.
Yeah, there was Nakuru campus, there was Maralal campus, there was Nyahururu campus.
All closed.
All closed. Right now there is only one.
Because
the
of
main
finance.
Campus.
Because of finance.
Yeah, the institution could not manage to run those satellite campuses.
It depends. I mean, all the institutions are depending on the government to fund the students, to fund whatever is supposed to run in there. Then, funny thing, but this discussion is very, calm. And whoever is watching this, please try to think where the government is trying to increase the fee. So actually, that is where the government is trying to increase university fee because the institutions do not have money to run the institution. They cannot close it. Ama close wabaki na UN peke yake.
Sisi wote hatuwezi toshea UN.
Anyway, unajua okay, naona zile institutions zenyewe naona for example Moi pia UN iko na hiyo system. So for example Moi there's main campus and there's for example annex campus, School of Law, then School of Medicine, different satellite campuses. I think they can only survive with satellite campuses if they distribute these courses to different faculties to different
satellite campuses.
Yes. Anyway, far from that, now what's the solution with these graduates? So in your job market, they don't have job.
I feel like though it could be a hard thing to do, but I feel like we need to lower our expectations, really,
and do whatever is available to do.
Do whatever is available to do whatever is available, and cultivate on that particular skill.
Sure.
You could do it in line with if whatever course you did, whatever degree you took, could be a skill. It doesn't have to be white collar. Then you start from the lowest you can. Yeah, for instance, maybe I did agribusiness, but right now I am doing a totally different thing because I could not find a job that I studied for. So I feel like people should just lower their expectations, really, and then go down and then start from that point as you build yourself to whatever is available.
In other words, what Deputy President Gachagua said the other day, no jobs in Kenya. So people should take that seriously.
Yeah, because it is true.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So now, to me, I can advise them. Look for a skill. Even if ni kuchoma mutura, let's go. Get the grill. Set your stuff there and start doing business. And if you're good enough, if you have patience and you feel like you can learn Forex, come to us. We're going to train you Forex perfectly from the scratch to the end. So, and I think Forex is the most preferred. The reason why I can say Forex is the most preferred skill is because, one, you don't need a lot of money to start. Secondly, there are diverse different ways you can make money in Forex, of which we're going to do another video of ways you can make money in Forex. if you don't have capital. Three, it doesn't need much time. It's something that you can do and also do other things. Right now, we're just having a conversation here, and there's a trend running. There's no limit. Nobody will ask you your university or college degree for you to get started.
Yeah.
The market is 24/5, Monday to Friday, and in this 24/5, it depends with the preferred session of the choice. So you can choose whichever session and trade. You see, so it's open 24/5. So you will have an opportunity in between, and you can also have time to rest over the weekend. You'll not go home with assignment so that on Monday your boss asikukeleleshe.
Yeah.
No. So there's time freedom. There's time freedom in Forex. Also take advantage of liquidity. It is said that Forex is the most liquid instrument in the financial market.
Yeah.
Liquidity means volume, good volume, which gives us an opportunity frequently on the chart. And on top of that, I've said you can start with small money. There's what we call leverage. Leverage is given by the broker. The broker is the financial institution that will bring now the market into the gadget so that you can access the market. So this feature, by the name leverage, will enable you to be able to access the market with even $10. So if, for example, you choose a leverage of 1:500, it means the broker will give you 500 times your money. That is like $10. Okay, I'm using $10 because I know there's some comrades who are watching this and they can only afford $10. So that is like 10 times what? Times 500. That is $500. So you'll be accessing the market with $500. That is from your $10. So basically, that is the skill that I'll advise each, and not each, but of course, somebody is looking for something to do extra from what you went to school.
They studied for.
Yes. Yeah.
You're waiting for my opinion.
Whew.
Though sometimes people say that Forex is hard. Why do you think?
Forex is because they don't want to invest in learning. Secondly, because of choosing their strategy, the type of strategy you are using to trade. Let's say when someone introduces them to ICT, you find ICT has very, very difficult names, words, terms, yeah, of which when you learn about a strategy like market structure, you find out like it is the same concept and it has a more simpler words. Yeah.
Alright. Why do you think zamani ulikuwa na umesema hapo hivyo uko unasoma Forex juu ulikuwa unafikiria ni hard. So now mbona reason yako ya nini ilikuwa inafanya una feel like it's hard?
Because I think I didn't have the real idea about Forex. And also I think it can be hard if you get a wrong mentor, like a wrong person guiding you on how to do it or what Forex entails. So, and also as he said, whatever language is being used when you're getting introduced to it. So you find some people use very complex language. So the language itself scares you before you get to it, the real thing now.
And also to add on that, the fear of losing money. Yeah. Many of the people fear losing their money. Yeah, because they are attached to their money.
Yeah, and also Forex, without people fear investing. Number one, in learning it. And then forex, without the knowledge of it, it is likely to be a gamble. It is likely to be a gamble if you're doing it without the knowledge of it.
Great. Now, what's your final remarks about forex and everything? What can you advise viewers who are the inspiring traders watching this?
I will say, don't get into forex with the mentality of making money. That one will be gambling. Get to know about it, understand it, be consistent on it, and then you can now start it.
Oh, nice.
My final remarks, I should advise those who are inspiring to become a forex trader to learn, then earn. First learn, practice on your demo accounts, then earn.
Great. So forex is all about learning, and if you want to get better into forex market, invest in education. You cannot start. You cannot be given a car and you start to drive it at the speed of 80 kilometers per hour, and you've never been to
And
driving school. You have to get the skill set. You have also to practice the skill to confirm if you've understood all the dynamics of the market before you get your money in. So it's a process, and if you follow the right procedure, you're not going to lose money. So you have assumption of you must blow account first before making money. It's not a must to blow an account first. You can start with making money and make it a consistent habit. You see, somebody is reading here atomic habit. So you learn a skill, then you get the reward and make the reward the habit. And by the end of the day, you'll grow. So guys, that is my final remark. Thank you for watching this video to this point. Wait for the next educational video. We are dedicated to bring you more and more educational video that is confined to forex trading. See you in our next video. Bye.
And make sure to subscribe and share and like.
Nice one.
bye.